Hey Eagles, this is Sunday, September 13th. This is the announcements video. I'm going to try to do a little update every Sunday with a little bit of math, a little bit of announcements, reminders of things to turn in and stuff. Wow, what a week already, huh? So hang in there, hang in there. You've got this, but let me just clarify just what some of the things I hope you can do for class are. Again, if something comes up, just let me know, but let me switch screens here for a sec. Okay, all the things that you need to do for the week are posted in Canvas. So if you go from the home screen of Canvas, there are some announcements at the top, and then scroll past the quick links, and then you will find uh, in week two, there are uh, pages that for September 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th, as well as something new, a Friday check-in. So I'm going to just open all of these in each in a new tab so that I can just kind of flip through them real quick here. So first off, September 14th. So on Monday, okay, on Monday or before, I would ask you to please go through the interactive question. Please do that while either watching the videos or going through the slides. Um, Start Webwork assignment number 4, right? And then this is no matter whether you're in the Monday, Wednesday group or Tuesday, Thursday group. And then on or before Tuesday the 15th, there's the same sort of deal. There's slides. There's an interactive question. There's an extra video. So this video is not using slides, but it's an actual demo. Sometimes, on rare occasion, that's what I really need to do to kind of demonstrate something that's going on. So please watch. Just basically go through the page, and it'll kind of direct you through all the things. If you go through all these things by Tuesday, you should be good. There is a take-home quiz to do on Tuesday. If you've gone through all the slides up until then and have tried some practice questions, you should be good to go for the take-home quiz on Tuesday. Then on or before Wednesday. So on Wednesday, by the end of the day or before, please go through the Wednesday materials, and then on or before Thursday, go through the Thursday materials. So all of these things, the Webwork assignments, going through the slides or the videos, answering the interactive question, all of those things can be done early. So I'm just trying to create a bit of a schedule to say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But if you want to do it all today, in principle, you can do that. The only thing that can really only be done on Tuesday is the take home quiz. Finally, there is a Friday check in. It's a survey. Normally, I do a survey on paper, but I'm doing things a little differently because of when I can see you. Again, all of those things are for all of my students, no matter which group you're in. There's stuff for Monday, stuff for Tuesday, stuff for Wednesday, stuff for Thursday, though you can work on these things early. Just want to just give a shout out to the folks in Coat. I know this is a really tough time. It's unimaginable to me what you're going through. So hang in there. Reach out if you have any questions about deadlines. Please reach out, or just what's due when. If it's a math question, what I would like to ask everyone to do is to try to avoid asking math questions themselves over email. That just does not work very well. In the past, it's been really hard to answer people's math questions. Instead, let me just find in the syllabus. So from the beginning, click to syllabus and scroll down just a little bit, and you'll find right away the weekly regularly scheduled office hours. You do not need to ask in advance to show up. Just click the link here and join office hours, and get your math questions answered there. That should almost completely be able to replace the experience of showing up to Centennial. I know it's not great, but I have some things that I can do using software, and I can write on my tablet, and you will be able to see that on screen, and so on and so forth. Okay, I pulled up the slides for day 3. There's a very common occurring question in Webwork that people have asked. I figure people are going to ask about it. It's very natural, but this is why the slides are designed the way they are. So I'm going to encourage you to take really good notes as you go through the slides or videos. So for instance, I'm on the day 3 slides file. I'm in the lower right corner, you'll see the number 16 there. So I've got this function defined here, and the question is to evaluate h of 4. The way to do this is how to think about it, and I cannot stress enough the fact that this box here says how to think about this. I would suggest that you, in fact, write the entirety of what's in this box in your notes so that you have a record of what's going on. How do you do this? Is that you take what's up here. We're basically going to write what's here, and I just put it in a box. However, you have to replace every x with a 4. So there's an x to the left of the equal sign, two x's to the right. Be sure to make those replacements. And in fact, if we take that same function, h of x equals 3 to the x plus x to the 2, the same deal occurs even though inside the parentheses now it's more complicated. It's s plus 6. Still do the same thing. How to think about it, you write down what's in this box, but you need to replace every x with an s plus 6. It will look like that. There are Webwork questions that are very recent that will cause you to, that will need you to think about things like this. Okay, it is going to be a while from now when there's an assignment that's going to be due at the end of week 5, but I thought I'd mention, even though it's due October 9th, you might get yourself started early. So this is an assignment that you can earn points for coming to office hours. I would strongly suggest you do this. What you'll do is after you visit office hours, go to this assignment. Even though it's due on October 9th, you can do it early, but it will ask you what date or time did you visit office hours online, what math question did you ask, and then it'll ask you to make your own math problem that's similar or find one, and find one similar to one that you asked in the virtual office hour, and then show me how you answer that question. I think it's extremely critical that I get everybody involved in office hours. You got to visit at least once. So I'd like to reward this with points. This is collected in the sense of it's collected online. You got to answer the question here in order to earn the credit. Okay, I think that's my Sunday, September 13th check-in and announcements. Hang in there. Stay awesome.